Book of Heaven, Volume 12, October 24th, 1918. The soul must invest herself with Jesus in order to receive him in the sacrament. I was preparing myself to receive my sweet Jesus in the sacrament, and I prayed that he himself would cover my great misery. And Jesus told me,
"Daughter, in order for the creature to have all the necessary means to receive me, I wanted to institute this sacrament on the last day of my life, to be able to line up my whole life around each host, as preparation for each creature who would receive me. The creature could never receive me if she did not have a preparing God, such that, taken only by excess of love for wanting to give himself to the creature, and she being unable to receive me, the same excess of love led me to give my whole life in order to prepare her. So it placed my steps, my works, my love before hers, and since in me there was also my passion, it placed also my pains to prepare her. So invest yourself with me, cover yourself with each of my acts, and come."
Afterwards, I lamented to Jesus because he no longer makes me suffer as he used to, and he added,
"My daughter, I look not so much at the suffering, but at the goodwill of the soul, at the love with which she suffers. Because of this, the smallest suffering becomes great. Trifles take life within the all and acquire value, and the lack of suffering is stronger than suffering itself. What sweet violence it is for me to see a creature who wants to suffer for love of me. What do I care if she does not suffer, when I see that not suffering is for her a nail more piercing than suffering itself? On the other hand, lack of goodwill, things which are forced and without love, as great as they might be, remain small. I do not look at them. On the contrary, they are a weight for me."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.